Hello out there, my name is Benjamin, and thank you so much for joining me here once again in the studios of Blaben Solutions. So in today's video tutorial, I will be walking you through a step-by-step with no step skipped on how to design a very simple logo using the type tool. So in this logo, I'll be using the letters SM to design a very simple logo. And this logo can be used for any kind of business such as consulting, boutique, shop, lawyer firm, photography, beauty, cosmetics, and etc. Before we kickstart, let me use this opportunity to say a very big thanks to you for clicking this video. If this is your first time of being in here, please do well to hit on the subscribe button, like, share, and also let me know your thoughts in the comment box below. If you've already done all these, thank you so much for doing so. If you are already a part of us, thank you so much for passing by once again. Without any further ado, let's get started. The next thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to come to the object tab and I'm going to expand this. Click OK. Right click in here and let's ungroup this text. Right, so I can move this text on top of this font M. But I'm going to hold my shift and enlarge this a bit to something like this. Good. So let's arrange this. Let me shift the S down a bit. So something like this is okay, and that is cool. The next thing we are going to do here is once we've been able to place the S here, we are going to select both text. So I'm going to hold my cursor here, drag it over the text, and I've selected both text. So then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy and paste back in front. To do that, there's a shortcut key which is Ctrl C to copy, then Ctrl F to paste back in front. Right, so that's what I just did. So now what I've just done is I'm going back in here and I'm going to change this like this, and I'm going to increase the stroke to, let's say, about 15 or 14, I guess. We have this. I think this is okay. Let's go back to object and click expand. Click OK. Let's click outside the box, select the text one after the other, and let's unite them. Now that we are done uniting them, let's select both text again by dragging your cursor over it. Let's select the shape builder tool and hold Alt. Before I hold Alt, I will zoom in by pressing Ctrl plus to zoom in. Alright, so let's hold Alt and hold drag to select multiple places and just leave it for it to delete. Right, okay, let's do same for this one. Hold Alt and delete it. Good. Delete it. Good. So basically that is what we'll be doing in here. Just hold and delete, and that is it. Hold Alt and let's delete these ones as well. Alright guys, so after we are done with the shape builder tool, let's select our move tool back in here and let's unite them together, and we have this. But there are some small edges that we need to get rid of, so I'm going to do that by selecting both all text again. Go back to my shape builder tool and I'm going to select this, hold Alt key, and I'm going to select this to delete this. Alright, so we have something like this, and this is nice. So this is a nice type or text logo, and I'm going to add the name of the company to this. So it is a consultant company. So my type to CONULT. Good. I'm going to hold this and drag this, and something like this is okay. But I'm going to change the font to the same Cinzel, but now not Cinzel Decorative, but Cinzel itself. Sorry, okay, Cinzel itself. Let's increase the size a bit. Let me shift this. Sorry, Control Z to undo that. Let me shift this here a bit, and let me bring this back in here a bit. So I'm going to add one more text in here, and I'm going to select my type 2, and I'm going to type in here like this: family and divorce law. How about me getting rid of the divorce, and let's say family law firm? I think family law firm is okay. So I'm going to select my move tool. I'm going to do some touching in here. So I'm going to select a font by name Invention on box. And I'm going to reduce the size to something moderate. Control 0 to bring my distance back. And I'm going to shift this in here like this. Select both, and I'm going to group this text. Group them. And now I can move this text around. Alright guys, so this brings us to the end of today's video tutorial. I believe you did learn something in here. If you did, please do well to hit on the subscribe button, like, share, and let me know your thoughts in the comment box below. Until I come your way next time, it is still Blaben Solutions, and thank you so much for watching.